How are you, student? See, we have to start today is a nutrition in plants. See, in the nutrition in plants, so it is a last some topics is there. See, we have to learn today. Insectivorous. Insectivorous. Insectivorous plant. What is insectivorous? Those green plants which obtain their food partially from those green plants obtain their food partially. Those green plants obtain their food partially from insects. So it is a partially obtaining the insects are called insects. This one are called insectivorous. See here what said? Those green plants which obtain their food partially from insects is called insectivorous. See, mostly this plant is growing in deficiency of nitrogen, deficiency of ammonia. For example, we have to draw here a picture. What said? See, this like leaves is there. Leaves. These leaves has a, see, this like structure is there. See, this like structure is there. Upside is a lead is there. Lead. See, this like lead. See, what will happen when insects coming to, see, this like hair like structure also is there. Hair like structure. See, we have to draw. See, this one. See, for example, okay. See, this like. See, upside is a lead is there. Lead. What will happen? Here is a, see, trapping for hair like structure is there. Hair like structure. What will happen? When a come to insect eating up the plant, the insect is a closing the lid. This like lid is there. Okay, closing the lid, trapping the lid. What will happen if I trap the lid? The insect will be dead. Again, this insect, this nutrition is giving to the this plant. These are leaves is there. Insectivorous plant. See here, insectivorous plant is there. Okay. See, this is a insectivorous plant grow in those soil which do not contain sufficient nitrogen. See, do not contain the nitrogen sufficient in this land. It is a, these plants is a growing. Say here, insectivorous plant. See, here is a digested, and this nitrogen rich mineral is a transporting the root there to various parts of the plant. It is a helping to the, see, nitrogen fixation in this land. See, this is about the insectivorous. Those green plants do not obtain their food partially from insects are called insectivorous. So it is a obtaining the here from plants only. See, insect is a coming. What will happen? Insect is a sitting here. Sitting. See, when a trap, what will happen? The lid will be closed. The insect is a digesting here, and when an insect coming, the trapping the these hair-like structures is there. See, this is about the insectivorous. Next, we have to learn the symbiotic plant. Okay, symbiotic plant. What is symbiotic? Symbiotic plant. Symbiotic means easy. See what said? It is a the condition where two different organisms live together. See, it is a different organisms is a living together and help each other to survive is called symbiotic organisms. The condition okay, the condition, what's it? The condition where two different species, what's it? Two different species of plants, as it they two different plants live together and helping to each other. See, living together and help each other to survive and help each other to survive. See, this survive, and this is a symbiotic relationship. This is a symbiotic relationship. See, here is a most example is a lichens. Lichens or lichens also called. See, for example, algae. See, lichens means algae plus fungi. What will happen? Here is a, for example, this is a algae is there. So it is a algae. Algae giving to the shelter. See, this is a fungi. Sorry, this is a fungi. And here is a algae is a growing this like. Algae is a growing. See, this is a algae. See what will happen? Fungi is giving to the nutrition to algae. Algae giving to the, see, fungi is giving to the shelter to algae. Algae is preparing the food substances because algae has a green in color. Chlorophyll is present in the algae. See this, like algae is giving to the food and fungi is giving to the shelter to them. See this, like symbiotic relationship is there. Next we have to see the another example also, symbiotic relationship. See, symbiotic relationship in a plant. Plant is there. See, Leguminaceae family plant. See, this is a root nodule, and in the root nodule is living the Rhizobium bacteria. Rhizobium bacteria. See what will happen here. Here this Leguminaceae plant, in the root nodule it is a present the Rhizobium bacteria. Rhizobium bacteria synthesizing of the ammonia, nitrogen. Nitrogen is a required to this plant, but this Rhizobium bacteria for required a shelter. See this, like symbiotic relationship occurring in those organisms, plants and Rhizobium bacteria. See this, like symbiotic relationship is present. Next, the living together. See, symbiotic relationship means living together of the two different species of plants if they are parts of the same plant or help to each other obtaining food is called symbiosis. This, like food is a obtaining. See, best example is a Rhizobium bacteria and lichens. See, here is a relationship is there between the, see, these two plants. Next we have to learn about the what's it. See, nutrition are replenished in the soil by adding fertilizers. Nutrition are replenished by plants by in the soil by adding fertilizers. Fertilizers and manure. Okay, we have to see this one. Nutrition are replenished by soil adding fertilizers and manure. See, in our area, see, before sowing the seeds, so many members is adding to the manure. See, cow dung, see, waste material of plant is adding to our soil. What will happen? Adding, after is fluffing the soil, and the soil will make a porous, smooth, and water holding capacity also increasing. That's why we are adding to the manure before seedling or before sowing the seeds in our field. See this, like manure is adding. See, this manure is giving to the more nutrition to the plant. Plant will be growing the healthy and we will get the more production, more yielding in our field. See, this like manure is a adding. Again, we are adding the fertilizers also, chemical fertilizers. N, P, K. What is N? N means nitrogen. Nitrogen. P means phosphorus. Phosphorus. See, phosphorus. See, K means potassium. Potassium is a adding to our field. See, these minerals is a required the plant. The plants is a getting the these nutrition, it will be grow healthy. Next, we are adding to the DAP. DAP also adding diammonium phosphate. See, it is a diammonium phosphate also adding. Urea also adding to our field. See, if we adding these fertilizers to our field, what will happen? The plants will be grow healthy and it will be giving to more yielding to our, see, more production we will get. Next, we have to see the another one. Nitrogen can be replenished. Nitrogen can be replenished in the soil, by adding, see, by growing leguminaceous crop. By growing leguminaceous crop. See, growing the leguminaceous crop. Okay. Nitrogen can be replenished in the soil by growing leguminaceous crop. For example, see, we have to see the, basically we are getting the two crops. One is a Kharif season, another one is a Rabi season. One is a Kharif season, another one is a Rabi season. See, Kharif season and Rabi season. In Kharif season, for example, we shown the Moong, Udad. See, for example, Moong, Udad. See, groundnut. See, in Kharif season. See, we have to shown in Rabi season, Jawari, rice, maize. See, this like we have to shown in Rabi season. What will happen? Moong, Udad, groundnut. See, in their root. See, it is a bacteria is there. Rhizobium bacteria. See, in their root, Rhizobium bacteria is there. In this Rhizobium bacteria, see, this like Rhizobium bacteria is there. See, this Rhizobium bacteria, the fixation of nitrogen, they are getting the nitrogen from atmosphere, and through a water they are preparing the ammonia. They are preparing the ammonia. This bacteria. Like hemoglobin is present in this rhizobium bacteria. See, we have to see here rhizobium bacteria. Rhizobium bacteria is present. This rhizobium bacteria is a fixation of ammonia. See, that's why we will get the more yielding. See, one crop is a this leguminaceous crops. See, these all are belongs to leguminaceous family. Chana also leguminaceous family. See, tuvar also it is a leguminaceous family. This leguminaceous family is a fixation of ammonia. We will get the see so many members in our area. For example, your parents also doing the agriculture mostly. See, one crop is a, for example, crop rotation also doing. Crop rotation also doing. This year they shown the Kharif season for soybean, groundnut, udad. They have to get the next year on that field another crop like a see cereals. See, this like jawari, rice, maize. This like millet. See, this like we have to show. If you sown these seeds, what will happen? Crop production will be increasing. See, it is a nitrogen can be replaced in the soil by growing the leguminaceous crop. These all crops belongs to leguminaceous family. Leguminaceous family. Next, we have to learn about the cell. See, cell is a fundamental unit of life. See, cell is a structural functional unit of life. Cell is a smallest unit of life. We have to learn about the cell. What is the cell? Cell is a smallest unit of life. Smallest unit of life. Fundamental unit of life. Fundamental unit of life. Next, structural functional unit of life. See, this like cell is there. Now we have to see the plant cell is there and animal cell is there. In plant cell, see, this is a plant cell. Sorry, this is a animal cell. Cells is a two types, animal cell. And this is a plant cell. Okay, in the plant cell has a vacuole and nucleus. Here also so many organelles is present. Organelles is present. This is a nucleus and here is a this is a nucleus and this is a vacuole. Vacuole. And inside the cell so many cell organelles is there. For example, this is a mitochondria, and see, this is a endoplasmic reticulum. See, we have to write here ER, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, lysosomes, vacuole is also present. See, here also so many chloroplast. See, this is a chloroplast. chloroplast. Cell wall is present, cell membrane also present. See, plastids also present, ribosomes, lysosomes, Golgi apparatus. See, so many organelles is a helping to our cell. See, preparation of food substances. This cell is preparing the food substances. See, mitochondria. See, energy. See, here is a ATP is a producing. It is a ATP producing. Adenosine triphosphate. Endoplasmic reticulum. Here is the synthesizing of the proteins. Ribosomes. They are also synthesizing the proteins. Golgi apparatus. See, dispatching of the whatever may be prepared. It is a dispatching to one cell to another cell. See, this is a totally structures totally of the about a cell. Each and every organism has a cell. In the cell, each and every organism has a nucleus. There is a genetic material also present. Genetic material also present. It is a totally fundamental unit of life. Fundamental unit of life. Each cell has a their specific functions. For example, nose is there. Here, there also cells is there. Their functions is different. Smelling. Tongue is there. Tasting. Okay. Next we have to see the ear is there. There listening. See, we can hear the sound. Different teachers producing the different sound. We can easily identify to the teacher's sound. Okay. Eyes. See, it is a detecting, seeing, looking from another person. See, this is about the cell is there. In 8th standard, you have a specific lesson. Cell lesson is there. See, we have to learn very detailedly there.